on. Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Diedrich with Diedrich Marketing Strategies, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about how to market your product or service depending on what you're selling. I am all about giving up some of my advice, some of my little nuggets that I give to my clients, because like I tell them, I'm wanting to help teach this and instill good marketing practices to where you don't have to spend tons of money on a marketing person or somebody always creating content. I'm there to create the big stuff, the commercials, the advertisements, things that you can reuse to where you have stuff on your page that people like, that people engage with, as well as help you kind of get started, get in the motion of what marketing is all about. Again, yes, I am the expert, and yes, I do want to help you and I do want to work with you, but I also want to be able to make sure that I'm also instilling those good practices and that knowledge onto the people that I'm working with. This isn't just a self-serving type of a business for me. This is really helping get the knowledge out there of how important marketing is and what it's all about. So if you're a service-based company, just like me, so you sell different types of things, whether that's coaching, whether that's classes, whether you're a teacher or a tutor, things in that matter. What you want to do is you just want to get your face out there. So you are your brand, right? The face that you have is what everybody sees when you're posting stuff about your service. So let your audience get to know you. That's probably my biggest tip that I tell everybody that I work with is when people buy, they buy for two reasons. They either buy because it is something they need, because they're in pain and they need this and it'll fix that pain point for them, or it's something they enjoy and they want. So with that being said, everybody connects on trust and empathy. So if they can empathize with you and they trust you, they are more than likely going to buy what you're selling. So if you're a service-based business, you want to make sure that people are getting to know you, that they see what your life is like outside of your business, that they see your downs and your ups, and that you're human. People really want that engagement. As well as for my product-based businesses, people want this. They want to get to know you. They want to know who's behind the computer screen or behind the brick and mortar business. That's what they love and they enjoy. The connection is super important. For my product-based businesses, what you want to do is highlight everything that you have. Different times, different days. Let's say you're a boutique. I work with quite a few boutiques. Spotlight the different kind of clothing you have. Use the seasons to your advantage. The one thing that's really cool about product-based businesses is I feel their items, especially in the boutique world, kind of tell you, kind of like count out what you should be posting, when you should be posting, because of the time of year it is. So you know what type of clothing to be posting about. The type of, holidays. You have all of these different things that you can mix in to really make product selling and a product business successful in marketing. So I really, really recommend these two things. Letting your followers and your clients and customers get to know you on a personal basis. Don't be scared. Be personal. Do videos like this. Get real, get raw. They love it and they'll connect with you in your business. They'll share it more. They'll leave you testimonials more. They just feel like they really know you on that personal level. And the last thing is make sure that you're sharing your product, your services, what you're doing on a daily basis in a less salesy way, right? You're here to spotlight what you do. You don't have to sell people. People will sell themselves. So make sure that you're putting it up there just to kind of get the knowledge out there, that you're helping them kind of see what you do, see what you have to sell, and let the rest kind of fall into place. Thank you all so much for tuning in for this week's video. Again, I'll try to do these videos every week. It's busy. I'm so humbled and honored to be working with all the people that I'm working with, as well as getting to interact with all my followers. I appreciate it, and I look forward to what's next.